Hello anime fans, gamer fans, and card collectors. We have another Persona 3 Reload product to review today. So this is a Persona 3 Reload box called the Moon Shadow set. And this is by our well-known friend KAYOU. Now you probably notice a little bit difference about this, and I'm going to go through the size that we normally do because this is not your typical size. This is a bigger size box, even though it looks so okay on this screen. But for size comparison, this is a box of the first edition English edition Y Swords of Persona 3 Reload that a lot of folks are familiar with, and you can see the size when it's next to it. It's humongous. Alright, and these are kind of like large, long, rectangular cards, almost like bookmarks and that kind of stuff, but we'll have a more deeper look once we get this box open. First of all, let's look at the dimension. So this box is about 4.5 inches wide. You can see almost 10 inches thick, tall, and thickness is about 2.5 inches. Alright, so what we have here, we have a full chrome box, really nice. It is the exact same image that we normally see for Persona 3 Reload of the protagonist and his persona. We have the foil logo for KAYOU here. It tells you Persona 3. Alright. On this side you have the continuation of the art, but then you can see some images of the art itself. So try to get that in the screen for you guys. So we got the protagonist here, Aegis, and the student president Mitsuru down here. Alright, on top, nothing much there. On the bottom, just full blue chrome. On this side, you have pretty much nothing there, but you have call out of the artist, Memento Mori, and then a little quote. Alright, little QR code for you guys to scan. Alright, and then back here we have more of the information. So we got the manufacturer information here. We got Atlas, the owner of the game. And this box here tells us how many packs were expected. So there looks like it's 1 card per pack. And there's 12 packs. There's 8 that you can get a R, U, R, SP. And then 4 you get SRs. Alright. So normally UR, SP are the ones we want to hit. We'll see what we get. Some more information. Okay, and then total how much cards is in the set. So it looks like there are only 10 R cards, 10 SR card, 1 UR card, and 1 SP card. Ooh, that is really low hit. Only 1 of UR and SP. And then your warning sign and your barcode. Alright, without further ado, let's unleash these cards. Hopefully I can capture it all in the camera. If not, I'll try to adjust it as we go. Alright, there goes the wrap. Alright, here we go. Here are all the packs. Get them all out. And you got your little plastic display stand in there. Alright, just gonna put this on the side. So these are the packs. Alright, gonna do a lucky shuffle and take this opportunity to thank you all for checking out this video. This is something new. We didn't know we were getting these kind of stuff, but we thought, oh, maybe a new card set, but until it showed up on the front door, we were shocked by the size as well. But as usual, thank you for watching and checking out this video where we do unboxing of non-sports cards. We start with Marvel and DC, and we have anime and other fun cards. We do also random card packs, rips, shorts for the weekends. So yeah, if you're interested in this kind of video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, after this video, check out other videos that we have on our channel. Alright, so this is what a pack looks like. Pretty thick. Pretty like thick cards you got here. So you got the same design as on the box front. Okay, on the back you have all the information that we saw on the back of the cards assumed. And then this, yep. Alright. Alright, so should be easy to rip, but these are really like feel heavy duty packs. We're gonna do cut, as we normally do. And ooh, interesting. They have two cardboards sandwiching the card, so there's no way for people to kind of detect it. Alright. So that's it in the bag. So we got a lot of extra protective sleeves here. Alright, let's have a look. Ooh, okay, I don't know how we're gonna do this. There's art on both sides. So I guess I think I'll show you the side that looks cool second. So first card we have our favorite canine companion, Koromaru. Alright, a full chrome card. Really thick card. So the character himself here. And you got persona, you got the labyrinth in the back there. Got the side of the character, name, Chinese and English. Card number down here. So this is an SR card, one of the 4. And then what I'm going to say on the back, we get this iconic scene of the close-up before a big attack. So cool. And then this thing has a little indent here, so it looks like a tear-off ticket. But I guess it's for a different kind of card, because this does not look like you're supposed to tear this art off for these cards. So that's the first card we got. Koromaru. It's a thick card. It's really thick. That's almost like a chrome card thick, but it's cardboard. Yeah, so again, size comparison to a regular card. So a Wise card. Actually, let me see here. So you could kind of see how it's thin. Compare, maybe. But you could like see how easy I could bend it with one finger here. These ones, barely could bend it. Alright, so that's the first card. Moving on to the second one. Again. Okay, so I guess we'll do the same thing. I think it's kind of similar design. Okay, we got the protagonist himself on this card. Nice blue background as usual for him. It says hero. Just says hero for him. Card number SR01. That's the full card. See some little matte texture there. In the back, we got him with his beautiful blue eyes. Next pack, we got this is a different design. This is one of the other playing characters we have, and he is Shinjiro. So red with a battle axe on there. His name in Chinese, and then SES, that's the group that they're part of. So this part looks like you could, if you tear it out, it kind of makes sense. This is a LT card. LT1R10. LT cards are... Oh, interesting. LT cards are not on this list. P3 RLT1R. Oh, R10. Okay, so this is R10. So this is a kind of the lowest rarity card. Still sick looking. And then the back here. Oh, we got a different image. Ooh. We got a close-up of here. We got Persona 3 Reloaded in his color red. Close-up. Number 2. Don't know what that 2 is for. And then we got his Taro card. Hero Fant. So you could tear this out. Of course, why would you? Alright. Next card. I mean, these are really big, but they are still card texture, so that's why I'm still calling it a card. Alright. We have a duplicate. Alright. Duplicate of Shinjiro again. What are the odds on the second one? Back is the same. Alright, so you can get duplicates. Next one is trying to get the full thing in camera. Okay, we got another R card. This one is for, her color is always green. Fuka. So Fuka on the R. Card number R06. Fuka, one of the later characters. In the back. We got the close-up. Number 6. Okay. Should not be the character ranking or the order they come in, because I think Junpei and everyone else comes before Shinjiro, which is not 2. And her card is the Priestess. Right. We got, ooh, the protagonist again. This one on the R. So on the most common one. Pretty cool full body image of him behind in front of a clock. That is it hitting almost midnight? Yeah, it's hitting midnight. Kind of see the hour hand between there. He has the blue background. And we have him listening to music. Number 3. And card number 0, the Fool. Next card, we got a little red there. More pinkish. Yes, we got Mitsuru. So the leader. This is a SR card. So our third SR card. And yes, we have her staring into her soul. We're definitely gonna need to get one of those larger binders for these cards. Obviously. Alright, next one, we got a little purple. Alright, we got the first female that joined your group. It is Yukari on the R. She has a clock behind her as well. She used a bowl and arrows. Card number 2. And her card is Got that simmer close up, and she is number 6, Lovers. We got the boxer. What's his name called again? Shin? I forget his name. He's number 1. And he has the Emperor card. Nice boxing metal glove there. That's illegal for a school to use. Oh yeah, all the characters on the R are in front of a clock. Check his name was called. I'll look up his name again. Next card is, alright, we have Koromaru again, but this time on the R. That's him. And let me pull his first card out so we can comparison seeing what the SR and the R looks like. So this is the SR on the right and the R on the left. Alright. On the back, look at that. One of the cutest images. Number 8, Strength. Alright. 2 more pack to go. Hopefully we can hit something high. So there's 4 guaranteed SRs, and the rest we have Rs so far. Got a little Violet, and we got Junpei. Junpei. Alright. Cal was like the protagonist's best buddy. Or ish. And on the back, we got he takes too much screen. He's number 5. His card is Magician. Alright, last but not least, last pack. That'll be funny, we got Igor. Alright. Last card to go. We see some pinkish, reddish of Shinjiro on the SR. Closing it with him. So we got 2 of him duplicate on the R, and we got his SR. Card number 10. Back of the card. There you go. Alright, so let's have a quick look. Alright, so basically we didn't hit any of the LR or UR, which only has 1 card in the set according to the box. But this is the unboxing of this box of the KAYOU Persona 3 Reload Moon Shadow cards, and we got 4 of the SR as expected or guaranteed. We got these characters, all stunning looking, and then in the back you have these iconic scenes. And then for the R, so we got all these protagonists full body images in front of a clock and a ticket down here. We got one duplicate. And then on the back you have the character and their cards. Alright, well that concludes this unboxing of this box. Thank you for staying tuned to checking out this video, staying tuned to this part of video. Hope you like these kind of videos. If you do, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and also check out other videos on our channel. I did show it off. We had size comparison, the Persona 3 reload for the white swords. So I did do a video on that, so check out that as well if you're interested. So other than that, yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, well then, thank you for watching. Take care, and catch you on the next video. Bye.